First, open the browser, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and write down DaVinci Resolve. Press enter. First one, Blackmagic design, this website. Click here, DaVinci Resolve Blackmagic design. So this is the Blackmagic design homepage. Little bit scroll down. Now you can see the two link. First one is free version, and then this one is paid version, $295. So I want to download free version. Click here. I'm using Windows, this one. Click here. Now need a registration. This information need to fill it out. Company not necessarily, but other all is necessary. When you fill it up, then register and download. So let's proceed. I want to fill it up. Now completed. Register and download. Click here. It's downloading here. So download completed. Now here we're going to is open containing folder. Click here. This file is zip file. Need to unzip. Double click here for install. Now I keep by default and then install. Now next, and then click here and then next, and then next, install. So we need to wait. Installing. Complete DaVinci Resolve setup wizard. Now finish. Click finish. Install complete. In this time we need to open the DaVinci Resolve here. So now continue. Great, you are almost there. Before jumping straight into a project, let's make sure you are all set up. Quick setup. Now quick system check. Checking your operating system and graphics card to use how it will perform with DaVinci Resolve 21 operating system and graphics card. So both green mark, that means okay. Now continue. Set up your project. What type of project would you like to start? So you can choose. If you have a low performance PC, then this one, and after then this one little bit better, and then if you have a high configuration, a 4K, then you can use Ultra HD. I want to use this one. Most of the people using HD. So I have a high-end configuration PC, that's why I choose Ultra HD. Continue. Project media location. Where would you like to store your media? If you want to change, you can change location. So I want to by default. Now I want to DaVinci Resolve this one by default, and then continue. You are all set. We hope you enjoy DaVinci Resolve 21. Start. Wow, this is the main interface is DaVinci Resolve, so I am so excited. What's about you? Thanks for watching.